Got this first one put together part of the way. Got the shaft through, got the spool ends in. Now I just need to take intermediate braces, stick them through. You're just going to go flush, and I'll join each side, and hopefully by being flush, it keeps it pretty straight. And then as soon as that is all into place, I'm going to take a measurement to make them square, and then get a measurement for two braces in between each one to hold it steady instead of wanting to bow in.